Oh my. You can combine you can combine two strings into one using the plus operator. This is called concatenating strings. Yay! This will cause your
Man,
hero to say what?
you lucky I can't remember her name.
Who?
Um,
This will
Start with
cause
M.
okay.
From Love is Blind. No, Ultimatum.
Ultimatum.
Yeah.
Who started with
The
an M
bad.
on that wasn't
I don't
ultimatum,
know.
that was Love's Blind. You talking about Marissa, the army vet
Yeah.
that was proud of her service but not proud of her service at the same time. That show was cooked. Peasants and peons are gathering in the forest. Command the peasants to battle and the peons to go away. Okay. So while true, the friend is going to find the nearest friend. And if the friend says to battle plus the friend. What?
Sleepy Joe.
Is he asleep though?
I think he is. Cinderella.
Sleeping Beauty?
Yeah. What's gonna be my new pick? Him looking back.
Oh my gosh.
You see my picture on the screen?
I'm not. No.
Mm.
I'll have to see it. What is it now? I'll have to see it when it pops up again.
You didn't see it?
No.
Mm.
Oh, find the nearest enemy. See, I gotta pay attention.
Can we talk about like what's going on in the world right now?
Yeah, I mean, that's fine.
So with the Fox Sports thing,
Oh, Lord.
do you really think he offered her 1.5 million?
I don't know. I mean, I don't know. I guess there would have to be some type of evidence in writing somewhere.
He only make 8 million a year.
I mean, I guess that could be like an afterpay payments or something. Monthly installments.
Oh man, then it's like, okay, like who wouldn't pass up 1.5? Would you 1.5? Would you pass it up?
Yeah.
That's a lie.
This is a children's show.
Okay.
So maybe I gotta do if enemy, then let's try that. Roger Dodger. What? What is happening here?
I forgot to connect to the internet.
I don't think I did this right. Incomplete. What? Okay, while the friend Oh, I didn't say anything. Okay, let's fix this. Because I put this in the wrong thing. No, 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 no. Whatever. Okay.
Notice my password. That was my password.
Yes. You don't have
I
like
just
a...
created it today, though.
Did you save it in your password thing?
No, I'm putting it on the Switch.
Okay.
I got it messed up.
Oh.
Unable to connect to display.
This is working because I don't see anybody battling anybody. Maybe I gotta do enemy. Oh, because I'm concatenating.
You what?
Concatenating.
Oh. No, I'm not tripping. I know I did not forget my password.
I think you did, Grandpa.
That's so wrong if I did. Oh, you know what? I connected it to my cell phone.
Okay. I think we got it.
I was using the wrong password.
They're gonna battle. They're gonna battle. Yeah. Ooh, they got Dragon Balls and stuff.
You should do Minecraft. We've learned how to play today.
Nah, your child not finna be mad at me.
No. I mean, shoot, not Minecraft. Oh. Gosh. What was the video you sent me?
Roblox?
No.